How to use trust and will online probate properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many people assume online probate is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that delay estate settlement, increase costs, or create legal complications. The first mistake is skipping document verification. Trust and will provides tools to start probate, but beginners who fail to double-check wills, trusts, or asset lists may submit incomplete or inaccurate filings, causing court delays. Another common error is misunderstanding executor responsibilities. Platform guides you, but beginners who assume everything is automated may miss critical duties such as notifying heirs, paying debts, or filing tax forms. Many users fail to track deadlines. Probate involves strict timelines for claims, filings, and notifications. Beginners who ignore reminders risk penalties or extended proceedings. Ignoring legal jurisdiction requirements is another pitfall. Probate rules vary by state, and beginners who assume a generic process may face rejected documents or additional court appearances. Always select the correct state and follow local procedures. Finally, some assume online probate eliminates the need for legal advice. While trust and will simplifies the process, complex estates, multiple beneficiaries, or disputes may require consulting an attorney. To use trust and will probate properly, verify all documents, understand executor responsibilities, track deadlines carefully, follow jurisdiction-specific rules, and seek professional advice for complex situations. Avoid these mistakes, and the probate process will be smoother, faster, and less stressful for everyone involved.